Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. By the way, my name is Val. I believe na kailangan ko introduce ang sarili ko every video because not everyone here are my subscriber, and most of the time, mga bagong viewers po ang nandito. So, my name is Val and I do cash stuffing videos. I share my financial journey in this channel because I believe once I do some documentation on how my financial growth, I'd be able to see kung hanggang saan na ba ako or how far I've come when it comes to my financial goals. I do hope that this channel or this video will inspire also others to do their own financial goals. So today, just gonna be doing the cash stuffing first paycheck of the month of July. Wow, ang bilis, diba? July na tayo, guys. So for this video, for this documentation here, sinulat ko every pay or every notebook ko or every budget planner sheets ko, every pay is that I have this goal to fully put my goal here para it reminds me of what I wanted to achieve. So I wanted to achieve short term to fully pay my debt because I have so much or so big na debt po. And then I have an income goal which is 30k bi-weekly, or let's say 60k per month. I'm far away from my income goal, but every time that I put it in, it will always remind me. So I hope you also do the same so that you can have a goal or set of goal kung how far na kayo sa mga goals nyo or how you wanted to achieve that. Because for me, it reminds me to keep working because I'm not even halfway there, but I'll try to make it work. Now, when it comes to my debt, so let's talk about my debt, guys. For this July, yung number of months, I have 2 months left for my ring, and remaining ko na lang na balance is 9,468. For CP ng husband ko is 54,600, and we have the engagement ring of 18,000. So too far, we've got total of 82,000 debt, and I wanted to make it fully pay. Aside from that, this is the fixed debt, guys. Aside from that, I have the birthday and the cellphone. Nung nasira yung cellphone ko, yung screen mismo yung ginamit ko dito, which I have to pay because I have a balance of 7,128, and then dun naman sa birthday ng anak ko sa Jollibee, it's 7,558. So yan. Now for the income, yung budgeted income ko was supposed to be 13,000 sa aking full-time job, 2,000 my affiliate, TikTok, and then for my event services na part-time, it's 1,000. So, yung expected salary ko for this paycheck is 16,000, but yung actual is 14,300 sa aking full-time job. 14,300, tapos 4,000 naman sa aking affiliate ng TikTok. 777, lucky 7 for my sideline. So I've got 19,017, 7. Wow, so much higher than what I think. So that's good. Let's start with our cash stuffing, but before that, let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18. Okay, so all good. Now let's start with my debt. I'll start muna with my fix na debt. So, 1,581 plus 1,375. So, 2,956. I'll come up with 3,000 na lang. 3,000. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And then, savings, grocery, hurap ako ng 1,500 dito. To 1,500 for the grocery, food allowance mamaya, but for public transpo, I'll have 1K. Yan, for 1K. And then I have utilities, which is 1,000 naman. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung utilities na binabayaran ko is only the VECO, which is electricity. We're staying with our in-laws and we are sharing electricity for 2K per month. And then I have the vitamins, which is 500. So, for the vitamins, guys, yun yung mga kung gusto namin, kailangan namin bumili ng vitamins for the kids and vitamins for me. And for my mom, this is for my mother-in-law. We are sharing for her medical expense. We gave her 2K per month for her medical expenses. So, yeah. And for the miscellaneous, I've got 500. Now, when it comes to my allowance, guys, you all know na ginagawa ko siyang or binabudget ko ng 250 per day. So, yun yung budgeted or allocated budget ko, 250 per day. So, we've got for the next pay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 7 days, tapos 7 days. To week 1, yung gagawin ko, guys, week 1 is that 250 times 7 days. So, 1,750. And then, sa week 2 naman, same thing. So, if sa mga hindi nakakaalam, guys, yung ginagawa ko before, yung budgeted or allocated na allowance namin is 2K every paycheck. But I realized na para talagang nasushort ako when it comes to personal. So, yung ginagawa ko, kinocompute ko daily kung magkano nga ba yung expenses ko for the transportation. That's the first one. Pangalawa is magkano yung nagagasto ko for the food. So, that will come out for 250 as long as hindi ako kumakain or eating out sa mga fast food or restaurant, guys. So, that's why I've come up 250 per day. So, yung 250, tinatimes ko siya or multiply ko siya for the equivalent of days kung how many days in 1 week kailangan ko itabi. So, for week 1, it's 1,750 times 2. So, 3,500. So, okay lang. Kasi, ito, 1,000 for the public transport, tapos 2,500. So, same thing lang. So, what I'm going to do, it's 2,500. So, since it's 2,500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 5. There we go. This will go directly sa aking wallet. Tapos, isa-segregate ko na lang siya maya-maya. Now, all good na ako dito. So, for the debt naman is that I have, so for the debt, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,300. So this is 7,300. So for the Samsung, I have, wait lang, ito total ko na lang kaya to. So ito total ko na lang yung 7,558 plus 7,128. So that will 14,686. 14,686 yung gusto kong bayaran as soon as possible. Now guys, for the birthday, kunin natin ito. Okay, I have, so ito yung mga natabi kong pera previously, and meron ding naipadala yung husband ko na a little bit lang, konting-konti. Tapos, I have the rollover here. So, yung gagawin ko, I'm gonna count this. Wait lang ha. Kasi sayang to eh. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2. So, 500. Palitan ko lang to so that I have so much change in here. There. Alright. So, let's fully pay the 14,000. Let's see if covered. Kaya-kaya. Uy. Ay, meron pa pala. Meron pa pala. Siguro yung gagawin ko itong public transport. There we go. Thank you so much, Lord. Kasi medyo naiibsan yung ano ko. There we go. Alright. So, for the debt, this is the moment of truth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14! Kulang na lang ako ng 700! My God, guys. My God, my God, my God. I'm so happy. Oh, God. Alright. Oh, my God. Hindi ko na-realize na I'm about to fully pay this one. Okay. So, this is, wait lang, for the debt. So, debt, 14,000. I'm so happy. Alright. Ang saya ko, guys. Promise. Oh my God. I am So I think that's it. I'm just so happy that I've accomplished. Kulang na lang ako ng 700 itong 600 kasi meron naman akong 14,000. At least, kala ko kasi fully pay ko siya on July 15 paycheck. So as long as magtitipid pa ako more or makakapaglikom pa ako ng pera, I think I'll be able to pay this out. So, yun lang. Happy. So much happiness, guys. So, yung existing over ko na lang is yung 82,000. Laki pa na ng utang ko. Umabot ng 82,086. Laki. 96. Almost 100k din yung utang ko, ha? Utang namin. So, goal is to fully pay the debt. Yes, I'm about to say, yung fully paid debt na minimension ko, guys, or nire-refer ko is this birthday. Just so happy. This one, mababayaran din to. Promise. Kaya ko to. Kaya namin to. Ay, yun lang. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is full of happiness. Although wala pa kaming na-put up for the savings, but I'm really happy kasi yung goal na to fully pay the debt, I am so satisfied. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video and please click like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on our next video, guys. Bye!